What's up guys? So today's topic we will be cleaning this ignition coil of a Honda City. This is applicable to Honda Jazz, Honda City 2003 to 2008. So this is the coil. Here. And these are the tools we will be using: ohm meter, vice grip, electrical tape, pliers, cotton buds, toothbrush, and electrical contact cleaner. First, we will be removing this tube to its body by twisting and pulling. And you might need negative to help. And check this out. There's so much corrosion inside. Also this one. See those white corrosions on the spring? We will clean that up. Too much corrosion. Next we will be removing this rubber to this tube. To have a better view, to clean those springs. So next is this rubber to its tube. It is not necessary to remove, but I will do it anyway for your curiosity. There. That's why it's not necessary, because we can clean it even it's attached. If you need more leverage to spin this tube to remove this rubber, all you have to do is to put electrical tape in this, so the vice grip won't scratch the tube. Just like this. Make sure it's not too tight, just enough to grip the tube to remove this. Now we will be separating this spring to this. Just twist it there. So these are the 4 items that we will be cleaning. 1, 2, 3, and 4. First, after cleaning this, we will check the resistance. Adjust your multimeter into 20,000 ohms and connect the negative and positive. We should get 1.8 reading, as you can see. So let's test it again. 1.8, all good. So, and now we will check the spring. Adjust the multimeter in 200 ohms, just like that. And let's check it. It should be, we should get 1.7 or 1.8. there, as you can see, 1.8. So that's good. Lastly, we will be cleaning this. See those white corrosions? It is now clean. Let it dry first, at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Let's try it now if we will encounter any problem. And now it is installed. Here's the moment of truth. I installed all the ignition coil. We will try it now. Check for unusual LED light or there. Battery. No engine light. Okay, good. Then let's start it now. Okay. No problem. Right. So I think it is good and successful DIY. Just wanted to warn you before you proceeding this DIY. Make sure you are ready to purchase a new one, because we all know ignition coils are exposed to heat, and heat can get the rubber and plastic crispy that easily breaks. So make sure you are ready to purchase a new one if you are doing this. Thank you for watching. That's today's video. Hope you learned something from this video, and see you on next video.